Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and here's hot off the press video from KHAO, Butler County, Hogan Field, and here are the folks that attended the fly-in this morning, so stay tuned for some more video.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So there's Don Lockhart sitting in the chair, his wife Shelley in the black and white plaid, Michael CV talking to Shelley, the food on the table, and then back through the hangar, Richard Mutzman, and some folks from over in the Indianapolis area. And we also had some folks from Kentucky, and that's Bill Fritz talking to Luann while she's grilling. Bill and Bonnie Fritz drove in from their farm, and they were happy to attend today as well. So we had a pretty good turnout. Luann was quite satisfied with all that showed up, and folks had a good meal. We had good donations and lots of fun chit chat. And I think Richard Mutzman, I just saw something on the Grumman gang pop up. So ladies and gentlemen, hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fun day flying your Grumman.
You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.